Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast Spot. I'm Dana, your host. This is day 8 of our series, and today's topic is friendship. How to talk about friends and relationships in English.
And I'm Eric, your guest for today. Friendship is one of the most important parts of life. We all need friends to share happy moments and get support during difficult times.
That's absolutely right. Let's start with a simple question. Eric, how did you meet your best friend?
I met my best friend in college. We were in the same English class. At first, we were just classmates, but we had many things in common. Now, we've been close friends for 10 years.
What a lovely story. Listeners, think about your friendships. How did you meet your closest friends? Was it at school, work, or maybe online? Friendship is about connection, trust, and support. Good friends make our lives happier and help us through difficult times.
Yes. Today, we'll learn about making new friends, what makes a good friendship, different types of friends, and friendship challenges.
Different types of friendships exist. We have childhood friends, school friends, work colleagues, and online friends. Each type is special in its own way.
Friendship also changes as we get older. Children make friends easily by playing together. Adults often bond over shared interests or values.
So today we will explore how to make friends, friendship qualities, types of friends, and friendship customs around the world.
We'll teach you essential friendship vocabulary and practice conversations about friends and social situations.
Let's start with making new friends. Eric, where do people usually meet new friends?
People meet friends in many places: at school, at work, through hobbies and sports, at social events, through mutual friends, and through social media.
Making friends as a child is usually easy. Children play together and quickly become friends. But making friends as an adult can be more challenging.
Adults often meet friends through shared activities. Joining clubs, taking classes, playing sports, or volunteering are great ways to meet people with similar interests.
Work friendships are common. We spend many hours with colleagues, so it's natural to develop friendships. Some work friends become close personal friends.
Online friendships are becoming more popular. People meet through social media, gaming, or language apps. Some online friends never meet in person but still have strong connections.
Making friends vocabulary: meet, introduce, get to know, have something in common, connect, bond, click, get along well.
Common phrases: we met through a mutual friend, we clicked immediately, we have a lot in common, I'd like you to meet my friend.
What qualities make someone a good friend?
Good friends are trustworthy, loyal, supportive, and honest. They listen when you need to talk and are there for you during good times and bad times.
Trust is essential in friendship. Good friends keep your secrets, don't gossip about you, and are reliable when they make promises.
Support means being there for your friend. This includes emotional support when they're sad and celebrating their successes when they're happy.
Good friends are also fun to be with. They share your sense of humor, enjoy similar activities, and make you feel comfortable being yourself.
Communication matters in friendship. Good friends talk openly about problems, apologize when they make mistakes, and work together to solve conflicts.
Friend qualities: trustworthy, loyal, supportive, honest, reliable, fun, caring, understanding, respectful.
Phrases about good friends: she's always there for me. He's someone I can trust. We can talk about anything. She makes me laugh.
Let's talk about different types of friends. Not all friendships are the same.
Best friends are people you trust completely and spend lots of time with. You share your deepest thoughts and feelings with them.
Good friends are people you enjoy spending time with and care about, but maybe you don't see them every day.
Casual friends are people you know and like, but the relationship isn't very deep. You might chat when you see them, but don't spend much time together.
Childhood friends are special because you've known them for so long. Even if you don't see them often, you have shared memories together.
Work friends are colleagues you get along with well. You might eat lunch together, but you might not spend time together outside of work.
Types of friends: best friend, close friend, good friend, casual friend, childhood friend, work friend, online friend.
Friendship phrases: we're best friends, we go way back, we've known each other for years, we're just acquaintances.
Friendships aren't always easy. What challenges do friends face?
Distance is a big challenge. When friends move to different cities, it's hard to maintain the friendship. You have to make extra effort to stay in touch.
Life changes can affect friendships. When people get married, have children, or change jobs, they have less time for friends.
Misunderstandings and conflicts happen in all friendships. Friends might disagree about something or hurt each other's feelings accidentally.
Growing apart is natural sometimes. People change as they get older and develop different interests. Not all friendships last forever.
Maintaining friendships requires effort from both people. If only one person makes plans, the friendship might become unbalanced.
Friendship problems, argument, misunderstanding, conflict, distance, growing apart, lack of time.
Solutions: communicate, apologize, forgive, make effort, stay in touch, be understanding.
Let's review important friendship vocabulary.
Friend types: best friend, close friend, good friend, acquaintance, classmate, colleague, neighbor, buddy.
Friend qualities: loyal, trustworthy, supportive, honest, reliable, fun, caring, understanding, kind.
Friendship activities: hang out, catch up, stay in touch, spend time together, have fun, support each other.
Making friends: meet, introduce, get to know, connect, bond, click, get along, have things in common.
Practice sentences: she's my best friend. We've been friends for years. I met him through work. We have a lot in common.
Now let's practice. First, introducing friends to each other. Eric, I want you to meet my friend Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Dana has told me so much about you.
Sarah, this is Eric. He's my colleague from work. You two have something in common. You both love photography.
Really? That's great. What kind of photography do you do, Sarah?
She does landscape photography. Eric takes portraits and street photos.
We should go on a photo walk together sometime. I'd love to learn about landscape photography.
Let's practice catching up with an old friend. Eric, imagine we haven't seen each other for 2 years.
Oh my God, Dana, I can't believe it's you. How have you been? You look great.
Eric, what a surprise. I've been really good, thanks. What about you? What are you up to these days?
I'm doing well. I got married last year and just bought a house. How about you? Are you still working at the radio station?
Congratulations on getting married. Yes, I'm still at the radio station, but I also started this podcast.
That's fantastic. I'd love to hear more about the podcast. Do you have time for coffee this weekend?
Now let's practice making plans with friends. Eric, what should we do this weekend?
I'm not sure. What do you feel like doing? We could go to the movies or maybe have a barbecue in the park.
A barbecue sounds fun. Should we invite other friends too?
Great idea. I'll call Mike and Lisa. Can you ask Sarah and Tom if they're free?
Sure. What should everyone bring? Food, drinks, or games?
How about I handle the meat and you bring drinks? Everyone else can bring sides or desserts.
Sometimes friends have problems. Let's practice apologizing. Eric, I need to talk to you about something.
Sure, what's on your mind? You sound serious.
I was really hurt when you didn't invite me to your birthday party last week. I thought we were closer friends.
Oh no, Dana. I'm so sorry. It was a small family dinner, not a party. I should have explained that to you.
I understand now, but I felt left out when I saw the photos on social media.
I completely understand why you felt that way. Can I make it up to you? How about dinner at that new restaurant?
Let's practice giving advice between friends. Eric, I need your advice about something.
Of course. What's going on? I'm here to listen.
I'm having problems with my roommate. She's very messy and never cleans up. I don't know what to do.
That sounds frustrating. Have you tried talking to her about it directly?
Not really. I don't want to cause conflict.
Sometimes you need to be direct. Maybe suggest making a cleaning schedule together?
That's a good idea. How should I bring it up without sounding angry?
Try saying, I feel stressed when the apartment is messy. Can we work together on keeping it clean?
What activities do friends typically do together?
Friends enjoy many activities, going to movies, having dinner together, playing sports, traveling, shopping, or just talking over coffee.
Some friends have regular traditions like weekly coffee dates, monthly dinners, or annual trips together.
Simple activities are often the best. Walking in the park, watching movies at home, cooking together, or having long conversations.
How do friendship customs differ around the world?
In some cultures, friendships develop slowly but become very deep. In others, people become friends quickly and are very open.
American friendships can seem casual. Americans often say, let's get together soon, but might not follow through immediately.
In many European countries, friendships develop slowly but become very lasting. People are more reserved at first, but very loyal.
In some Asian cultures, childhood friendships are extremely important and often last a lifetime.
Social media has changed friendship globally. People now maintain friendships across long distances.
Listeners, here are your challenges. Challenge 1. Think about your closest friend. What qualities make them a good friend? Practice describing them in English.
Challenge 2. Reach out to an old friend you haven't contacted recently. Send a message asking how they are.
Challenge 3. Practice introducing two of your friends to each other using phrases like, I'd like you to meet.
Challenge 4. Have a conversation about friendship with someone using vocabulary from today's episode.
So today we explored friendship, making friends, qualities of good friends, different types of friendships, and friendship challenges.
We practiced essential friendship vocabulary and common social conversations that help build and maintain friendships.
Your homework. Think about your friendships in English. Who are your closest friends? What do you appreciate about them?
Remember, good friendships require effort, communication, and care from both people. Invest time in your friendships.
Before we finish, if you enjoyed this episode, please like this video, subscribe to English Podcast Spot, and share it with your friends.
Thanks for joining us. We'd love to hear about friendship customs in your country in the comments.
This has been English Podcast Spot. I'm Dana, Eric has been our guest, and we'll see you next time. Until then, keep practicing English and cherishing your friendships.